Hello dear students. Today we are seeing page number 17. Okay? Fun with numbers. See here. This is a data over here, that is top 10 scores in the Cricket World Cup. Okay? See here. Here are 10 players and their score. So, player APJ, AS, CK, DM, KSP, MD, PK, ST, TPK and VVS. Okay student. So what is the score of APJ? That is 128. AS 100. CK 99. DM 162. KSP 152. MD 178. PK 105. ST 141. TPK 112 and VVS 127. See here. Student, by this information, we are giving answers to these questions. Okay? Question number 1 is, CK just missed his century. How many runs did he need to make a century? Okay? See first. For century, okay? Century. So, what is meant by century? Century means 100. Okay? And in cricket, when a player is making 100 runs, okay? That time, that player is making his century. So see, CK just missed his century. So what is the score of CK? That is 99. Okay, how many runs did he need to make a century? Okay, 99. When we are adding 99, 1. When we are adding 1 in 99, we will get 100. It means the answer is 1. 1 run requires to complete his century. Okay. Now, question number 2. What is the question number 2, dear students? Dash and Dash scored almost equal runs. So, what is the score of all these players? Oh, see here, AS. What is the score of AS? That is 100. And what is the score of CK? That is 99. It means AS and CK scored almost equal runs. Okay. Question number 3 now. Dash scored a complete century, no less, no more. Who completed his century? Children, see. See over here data. Oh yes. AS. AS scored his century. Okay. No less, no more. After this, most runs scored by any batsman are, oh, who scored most runs? Oh, see here, 178. So, answer is 178. After this, most runs scored by any batsman are. We completed this one now. Okay, after this, Dash and Dash have a difference of just 1 run between them. Okay, what is by difference? Difference means there is a subtraction sign over here. Okay, difference means 2 less. Okay, so see here, AS has, he scored 100. Yes, and CK scored 99. When we are seeing this one, we will understood that there is only one difference over here. Okay. So what is the answer? AS and CK have a difference of just runs between them. Okay. Next. Dash scored 2 more than 1.5 century. 1.5 century. Who scored 2 more than 1.5 century? See. 1.5 century. 1.5 century. So, 1 century for 100 and for half there is 50. So, when we are adding 100 plus 50, we will get 150. Yes. And 2 more than. When we are adding 2 more than that, In 150 we will get 152. Okay. So check our data. Who scored 152? So KSP. Yes. So answer is like this. Number 6. KSP scored 2 more than 1.5 century. Hello dear friends. Now we are seeing page number 18. Okay. Describe this picture, everyone. You know very well the story regarding the tortoise and the rabbit. Okay. This is a finish point and here is a rabbit. Yes, here is a turtle. Yes. See. This rabbit is asking, wow, how did you do that? So, see, what is the answer of this turtle? Easy. Just step in tens or just skip in tens. See here? So, same way, this rabbit is skipping now. Here is a 10, okay? Then 20. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay? So we are doing fun with numbers. Yes, children? See, counting in tens. See here. Here is a 10. After 10, 10. After 10, you have to skip 20. You have to add more 10, 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Then 40. Yes. So see here. After 40, skip 10. 50. After 50, 60. After 60, 70. Okay. Skip 10 numbers after 70. That is 80. After 80, skip 10 numbers. 90. And when we are skipping 10 numbers after 90, that is 100. Yes. So same way you have to complete this task. See, 10, 20, 30, here 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay children. Now same way we are doing for 110. Okay. So see here. This number is 110. 110. Yes. We are doing counting in 10 numbers. Yes, children. So count 10 more numbers. 110 then. Which number will come? 10. So number is 120. Yes. 120. Then add more 10 numbers. Which number will come here, children? 130. Add more 10 numbers over here. 130 plus 140. In same way, you have to add 140. Then which number will come? 150. After 150, add 10 numbers, children. That is 160. Add more 10 numbers here. 170. Then 180. After that 190. And after that last one, that is 200. In this way you can complete this counting in tens. Yes. Now we are seeing 310. Yes. See. 310. Okay. We are counting in tens. It means we are skipping. 310 plus 10, 320. 320. Then 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, and the last one, that is 400. Yes, dear students. Now we are seeing for this one 720. Which number is keeping here, children? Before 720, which number will come here? List 10 numbers from 720. 720 minus 10. You will get 0, 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 1 and 7. So this number is 710. So we are starting from 710. Okay. So first number is 710. Then 720. 730. 740. 750. 760. 770, 780, 790 and 790 plus 10, 800. So in this way, children, we enjoyed counting in tens. Hello friends, now we are seeing counting in 50s. Okay. Now see this picture. You know very well. Very fast monkey is climbing on tree. So he used which technique? That 50s technique. Okay. See. Count in 50 up in a jiffy. This is a jiffy monkey. Okay. And here is a 50 strokes. Yes. See here. Now. See here, 50. We are doing counting in 50. So 50 plus 50. It is 100. Yes. Same way, when we are adding more 50 in that, the answer is 150. So can we say that? 50. We are doing counting in 50. So 50, then 100, then 150, afterwards 200, and then 250. Yes? We are completing this task. Okay? Here is 200. And we are counting in 50s. 200. After that 250. Which number will come after 250? Yes, children? Very good. That is 300. After 300? 350. Then which number will come? 400. After that 450. Afterwards 500. Yes? Same way we are doing this one also. So this number is started with 550. So same way we are continue this these numbers, that is a 500. When we are adding 50 in that 500, the number is 550. Then after 550, which number will come? 600. 650. After 650, number is 700. 750. After 750, which number will come? That is 800. After 800, which number will come here, dear students? That is 850.